Fun fact, did you know that the top 5 medium to large cars under $10,000 offer a perfect blend of comfort and affordability, giving you a taste of luxurious driving without breaking the bank? From spacious interiors to impressive features, these budget-friendly gems prove that luxury can be within reach for everyone. Well, hold on tight, because we've got the cars you've been searching for. Get ready to hit the road with style and savings in our video, Unlocking Affordable Luxury. Top 5 medium to large cars under $10,000. Which car do you think will take the crown? Let's find out together. Welcome back to Car Computer Exchange, where we're on a mission to bring you the best deals on wheels. Last time, we explored the world of small cars under $10,000. But today, we're cranking up the excitement and zooming into the realm of medium to large-ish cars that won't break the bank. Imagine yourself driving down the road in an inexpensive luxury vehicle with the wind in your hair and the grin on your face. Is it even feasible to locate a car that is dependable, fashionable, and fun to drive without breaking the bank? Fear not, fellow car aficionados, for we've scoured the automotive landscape to bring you the creme de la creme of budget-friendly beauties. We're talking about cars that not only get you from A to B, but make you go, "Yeah, that's my car. Cool." Now, before we dive into our top 5 picks, be sure to hit that subscribe button, because trust us, you won't want to miss out on the insider tips and tricks that'll make your car buying journey a breeze. A Toyota Corolla that means business. First up, we've got the mighty Toyota Corolla strutting its stuff. Now don't be fooled by its size. This little champ packs a punch. You can find options from the 2012 to 2018 E180 hatchback generation, and even some earlier models if you want that retro cool vibe. Safety and features got their due consideration, especially in the more recent models. So rest assured, you're in good hands. Reliability? Check. Longevity? Check. Minimal maintenance costs? Check. Sensible choice? Double check. The Corolla's reputation speaks for itself. It's the wise pick for the wise spender. With its reputation for reliability and longevity, the Corolla has become a sensible choice for those looking to make a wise investment. Not only does it offer minimal maintenance costs, but it also provides a range of safety features that have been given due consideration in more recent models. Whether you prefer the retro cool vibe of earlier models or the sleek options from the 2012 to 2018 E180 hatchback generation, this little champ is sure to pack a punch and keep you in good hands. Honda Civic, the cool kid on the block. Next on the lineup, we've got the Honda Civic strutting its stuff in both hatchback and sedan forms. From the early 2000s to more recent 9th generation models, this ride means business. We'd recommend going for the newer ones though, for that extra sprinkle of safety and improved features. Oh, and did we mention how enjoyable they are to drive? This baby knows how to have some fun. Plus, with Honda's reliability track record, you can cruise with peace of mind. The Honda Civic has always been a popular choice among young drivers, thanks to its sleek design and sporty performance. Whether you're zipping through city streets or taking it for a weekend road trip, this car offers a smooth and responsive ride. And let's not forget about the fuel efficiency. The Civic is known for its impressive MPG ratings, making it an economical choice as well. So, if you're looking to be the cool kid on the block, the Honda Civic is definitely worth considering. Mazda 3, zooming in style. Now here comes the Mazda 3, ready to impress with its sleek looks and driving prowess. You've got options from the first generation 2004 to 2009 to the second generation 2009 to 2013. But we'd nudge you towards the newer BL models. Our suggestion? Go big or go home with the SP25 trim featuring that 2.5-liter engine. Reliability? Check. Enjoyable to drive? Absolutely. Reasonable running costs? You bet. With the Mazda 3, you're driving in style without burning a hole in your wallet. The Mazda 3's sleek design and impressive performance make it a standout choice in the compact car segment. The newer BL models, especially the SP25 trim with its powerful 2.5-liter engine, offer a thrilling driving experience without compromising on reliability or affordability. With its stylish looks and reasonable running costs, The Mazda 3 allows you to make a statement on the road without breaking the bank. Alright car aficionados, it's time for a pit stop and a bit of a car debate. Out of our top 5 picks for affordable luxury cars under $10,000, which one do you think has the ultimate cool factor? Is it the sleek and stylish Mazda 3, zooming in with flair? Or does the underrated gem, the Honda Accord Euro or Acura TSX, take the crown for sophistication? Maybe the timeless and reliable Toyota Camry or Orion has the extra touch of class. We can't forget the fun and peppy Honda Civic, the cool kid on the block. And of course, the trusted and practical Toyota Corolla is always a smart choice. So, cast your vote in the comments, and let's see which ride wins the coolness race. And now, back to the thrilling ride of unlocking affordable luxury. Honda's secret weapon, the Accord Euro and Acura TSX. Meet the Honda Accord Euro or Acura TSX, the hidden gem in the automotive world. We're talking about the 2003 to 2008 TL9 model, and trust us, it's a head-turner. Undeniably stylish, with a reliable K24 power plant under the hood, this ride oozes class. And when we say class-leading fit, finish, and build quality, we mean it. With excellent driver engagement and practicality, you'll feel like royalty on the roads. Not only does the TSX offer a luxurious driving experience, but it also boasts impressive fuel efficiency, making it a practical choice for daily commuting. Its well-designed interior and comfortable seating further enhance the overall appeal of this hidden gem in the automotive world. Toyota Camry and Orion, the reliable giants. Last but not least, let's take a look at the Toyota Camry, backed by a legacy of reliability that's almost mythical. From the boxy yet funky V20 to the more recent XV40 models, the Camry is the epitome of practicality and comfort. And if you're looking for something more muscular, the 6-cylinder Orion is the way to go. With loads of features, comfortable rides, and easy-to-find parts, the Camry-Orion combo is the perfect recipe for long-lasting satisfaction. Whether you choose the Camry or the Orion, both models offer a smooth and reliable driving experience. The Camry's reputation for dependability is well known, while the Orion adds an extra level of power and performance. No matter which one you choose, you can trust that these giants of the road will provide years of satisfaction. We've got some honorable mentions to share: the 2013-2018 Kia Cerato and the 2012-2016 Hyundai i30 Elantra. While not making it into our top 5, the 2013-2018 Kia Cerato and the 2012-2016 Hyundai i30 Elantra deserve an honorable mention for their exceptional value for money, impressive driving dynamics, and overall reliability. However, it's important to note that if you come across the 2-liter engine, there may be some unexpected surprises to be aware of. Nonetheless, these vehicles still offer a great option for those seeking a dependable and affordable ride. Well, fellow car enthusiasts, we've reached the finish line of our epic journey through affordable luxury. We've unveiled the top 5 medium to large cars under $10,000. And boy do we have some winners. But here's the deal. This is just the beginning of our adventure together. If you want to stay in the driver's seat and never miss a single thrilling ride, hit that subscribe button right now. Join the Car Computer Exchange family and be the first to know about the hottest deals, the coolest rides, and the latest automotive secrets we're ready to spill. So, let's make this road trip a never-ending joyride. Buckle up and let's hit the gas on more exciting car escapades together. Until next time, keep chasing your automotive dreams. And remember, the journey to affordable luxury is just a click away. See you on the next road, fellow speed demons.